going on? Back at you again, Damien Dupee, #1 off-market land specialist, hyper focus on the infield lots. Today I'm going to be talking about why I love joint venture partnerships, why I love JVing. Again, if you're new here, I want to welcome you. Thank you for coming out. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, turn the notification bell on so you will not miss any more epic wild content from your boy. Okay? You don't want to miss none of this. It's coming out every Wednesday, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, every Friday, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Got a couple good announcements for you good people. I will be hosting a local meetup here in Charlotte, North Carolina, once a month. First meetup will be September 24th, which is a Friday, 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Come on out. I would love to put a face with the voice. I would love to meet you. Come on out, show some love. Meetup.com, link in the description. Number 2, JV partnership is wide open. That's what this video is all about. If you want a JV with your boy, I highly recommend this for newbies. I really do, because the biggest thing I'm seeing that is people is having hard time finding traction. Okay, again, hunting criteria is already in the description. I have pre-vetted builders, hundreds of builders. That's ready and available to buy off-market vacant land. Come on, let's get it. All right, last but not least, if you're looking for some value add, it's a free course in the description. Want to get in contact with me? My email is in the description. All right, again, if you're not on my Facebook group, go ahead and check me out. We are land specialists. We have a lot of great epic wild content that we drop in there. We answering questions. So if you want any more information about me, please email me. I will be happy to assist you. Okay. All right. Today, this video will be short and sweet. And I'm gonna talk about why I love joint venture partnerships. One, the first reason why I love joint venture partnerships because I'm able to help people earn while they learn. Okay. Yes, people are making money. If you look at my series of videos, just put in vacant land wholesaling is changing lives. People are becoming financially free. Some people are able to fire their boss. It is really changing people's lives. Okay, people who've been in the business 10 years, 12 years have never done land, and they got connected with me and they took massive action and they got massive results. Okay, number 2, I am meeting some great people. I love meeting people. I am an extrovert, as you can see. I love connecting with people, whether it's via Zoom. Shout out to Bree. We just had a nice Zoom. LaShonda, love having Zooms with her. And a host of other people. If I missed anybody, I love Zooms. I love connecting with each and every one of you. I've learned that as I give, people are giving back to me. You know, I'm having people ask me now, "Hey, Damien, what do you need help with?" Wow, what a blessing. That's a blessing. You know, like if I have a plethora of people from all over the world who saying, "What do you need help with?" You have helped me. You have helped me obtain financial freedom. You have helped me do my first deal. You have helped me, just giving me insight, access to you. What do you need help with? I love that. I love connecting with people. I love interaction. I love just growing with people. I usually say I'm gonna be on a Zoom call a couple minutes, before you know it's a couple hours, but it's beautiful. Number 3, reason why I love joint venture with people is because it saves people time. Again, I hate to see people frustrated, stressed out, worried. I don't want you to be like that. I want you to be free and free indeed. So if you partner with me, my job is to kind of look inside what's going on, what you got going on, and kind of guide you and navigate you so you can uh, get back to the land of milk and honey. You feel me? All right, so that's it. I love JVing. If you want a JV with your boy, I'm open. Listen. Holla at your boy. You feel me? I want a JV with you. In North Carolina, I'm in North Carolina. I do a couple spots in South Carolina. But come on down here. People talking some competition. Don't have that mindset. Ain't no competition. You got favor. You're favored. Okay? What's for you is for you. Can't nobody mess it up. The devil can't even mess it up. You hear me? Yes, he can't mess it up. What's for you is for you. Okay? So I want to encourage you today, if you're looking to get started in vacant land, please take my free course. That will give you some type of a firm foundation to stand on. You gotta take some type of education, some type of training, and I have provided that for you. Free 99, donut, nautica, zero, zilch. You ain't got to pay nothing for it. It's free. I done it. I put in the work. It's line upon line, precept upon precept. Check it out. Again, people are doing deals from it. Again, I thank you all for coming out and supporting your boy. I know y'all gonna come check me out. So come on, check me out. And thank you again. To the next one. Peace.